everyone, I am Prakshi and I welcome you all in the part 2 of Master Spoken Patterns. So here is the next pattern, that is I am sorry to plus first form of the verb. Whenever you use to, हम ज़्यादातर उसके बाद first form ही लगाते हैं, तो here is the pattern I am sorry to plus first form. I am sorry to is a pattern which is used to express the feeling of sympathy or regret. For example, you heard about someone's demise. तो आप क्या बोल सकते हो? I am sorry to hear about that demise. I am sorry to waste your time. I am sorry to be late. Next we have it is very kind of you to plus first form of the verb. Here also हम यहाँ पे first form ही लगाएंगे. It is the expression used to tell that whatever someone has done for you or whatever someone has said was welcome. बहुत अच्छा था या बहुत दयालु से थे वो जिन्होंने आपके लिए ऐसा काम किया. For example, someone invited you somewhere. So you can say, it is very kind of you to invite me. It is very kind of you to offer me the job. It is very kind of her to double my salary. Now we have, it is my turn to, again first form of the verb. It is my turn to plus first form of the verb. Now by telling this, you are telling someone that it is now right time to change the position. Like imagine your brother and you actually fight for remote of television. तो आज बोलोगे ना, आज मेरी बारी है टीवी देखने की या आज मेरी बारी है इस सीरियल को देखने की. It is my turn to watch the serial. It is my turn to pay for dinner. Moving on to the next one, we have I promise not to, again first form of the verb. When we are studying these patterns, you will see कि यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ इन patterns के साथ first form लगा रहे हैं. So moving again here, I promise not to, again first form of the verb. Now by stating this, you are telling someone that you will not do this particular thing again. Like imagine you cheated in exam and now you are caught red-handed. You are promising someone, अब से नहीं करूँगा. I promise not to cheat again. I promise not to tell anyone. I promise not to go there again. And the last pattern that we have for today is I don't have time to first form of the verb. Means the statement simply says here कि उनके पास इस चीज़ को बताने के लिए time नहीं है. That you have other obligations as well. I don't have time to explain. I don't have time to go there. I don't have time to talk to her. Well guys, these are some patterns that can bring a tremendous change in your English language. Go for it and stay tuned.